sitting alongside my favorite suitcase. Love this one so much. And that's because I'm going on a baby moon tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you exactly what's inside this suitcase. I'm Juli Bauer Roth, the food, fitness, and lifestyle blogger behind BEACHWEAR. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share my favorite food, workout, and wellness tips to help you live your best damn life. Today, I'm in what looks like the most boring room around. We are still getting our little girls' room ready to go. So I'm packing in here today, and I'm packing for our baby moon. We are going to Cabo. We picked Cabo because it is a direct flight from Denver. It's about 2 hours and 45 minutes, and then it's an easy drive into town. We're staying in Pamia, which we've never stayed in before. We've always stayed in Cabo San Lucas and never on the San Jose side. And I picked that because it's even closer to the airport. So we have a straight drive from the airport to our hotel. It is a really quick travel day. I really wanted to go to Turks and Caicos to begin with. Like, that would be such a cool baby moon trip, but I've had sciatica this entire trip, and so that is just not going to work for me. So we picked something very easy and comfortable, and I'm so excited for it. So I wanted to show you what is in this suitcase, what I'm packing today. And before I even share everything that's in here, this is an Away suitcase. And this is not an ad for Away, but it should be because they're the best suitcases. I love these suitcases. One of the best parts is they latch instead of zip. How annoying is it to zip and unzip all the time? This, it's just a quick latch, and you just pop them open and your suitcase comes open really easily. I love it. If you don't have an Away suitcase, I highly recommend it. I don't think it's the most expensive one out there. It's not the cheapest. It is great. But who cares about the suitcase? Let's get into what's inside. So this is how I'm starting off. I'm starting off with night outfits that I want to wear to dinner. And we have 4 nights. We might have room service one of those nights, but you never know. So I packed this really cute kind of see-through top with a bralette and a high-waisted skirt. I have this ruched dress. Don't worry, I'll link all these outfits and show you what they actually look like on instead of, how ugly does that look? And then I did another ruched dress, all black, that is really pretty. And then this really pretty pink dress. So I don't have a ton of different colors, but those are gonna be the 4 outfits I pack for dinner. And now I'm gonna get together all my day outfits. So now I gotta pack just some day outfits. Jean shorts, or any shorts at this point, are not working because I'm very pregnant and I don't wanna buy new shorts. I don't wanna buy maternity shorts because I'm not gonna be pregnant in 2 months. So I'm sticking with dresses. So I'm bringing this white dress that you can just pair with anything, easily throw this on. This little blue t-shirt dress, I'll be wearing that during the day. And then for a little bit more stylish, if I'm feeling it, I have this off the shoulder dress that is amazing and is so freaking affordable. And then one more that has these cute little cap sleeves. Obviously I haven't worn it out yet. A lot of these dresses I haven't worn out yet because I haven't had a place to wear them yet, but I do in Mexico. So I have 4 dresses I'm packing with me for the days that I'm there. Whenever we're grabbing lunch or just walking somewhere, I can wear all these dresses. Now I know I'll have 3 pool days for sure, and so I'm bringing 3 different cover-ups. I have this black one that's just the waist, so you can just throw it on. It's just a sarong. Then I have this amazing cover-up. I'm hoping it's back in stock when I share this video because it's one of my favorite cover-ups. Just throw it on, it's like a little dress, so it's really perfect to go grab lunch in afterwards. And then I also have this red one that ties the waist. This is from ASOS, A-S-O-S. I call it ASOS, but it is one of my favorite cover-ups. I don't shop there enough. They have such amazing stuff. So I'll have 3 of these little cover-ups ready to go. 3 pool days ready to go. Then I have swimsuits. So none of my swimsuits actually fit like how they normally would or how they should. So I just found any swimsuits that fit decently. Pretty much my butt, because my butt and my hips have grown so much. My boobs have grown a little bit, but it's mostly my rib cage has come outwards, so tops don't fit the same as they did before. So I'm bringing swimsuits that have bra type tops that just give a little bit more support with these old boobies. And then any bottoms that fit me decently enough. We have 3 days that we'll really spend at the pool. So I'm bringing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 swimsuits just in case we have an extra day. But then I can choose because my body is constantly changing. So maybe one swimsuit feels good one day and not another. And then I have different options. Normally I'd pack like 1 million swimsuits and wear a ton. And this, I just don't want to. I don't feel quite as confident. I'm always working on that. But my swimsuits just don't really fit. And I don't want to buy bigger ones because my body will change again in a year when we're back to summer again. So I'm just working with what I have. And that means some swimsuit bottoms that are a little snug. But I got 4 swimsuits I gotta pack. And something I use so many times over are packing cubes. If you don't use packing cubes, I can't recommend it enough. My husband doesn't like them at all, which is like so stupid. They're the best because you can pack everything in one place. So you can see in my suitcase here, I packed all of those dresses in here. All my night out dresses, all my day dresses are packed in here. And next I'm packing all of my swimwear, all of my cover-ups, and then I'm gonna pack a couple other items because I wanna work out while I'm there as well. So I have my night outfits, my dresses. I have my day dresses, sticking with dresses this whole trip. Now I wanna pack workout clothes. So I always work out on vacation and we'll be there 3 full days. So I'm bringing 3 full workout outfits. And I try to be as minimalistic as possible, which is what I wear in the gym anyways. So I have leggings and I have sports bras and that's it. I brought 3 leggings, 3 pairs of sports bras, I'll pack that in. Then I pack a ton of underwear because I don't know about you, but I feel like I could go through 3 pairs of underwear in a day. When I work out, maybe I wear it during the day and get a little bit sweaty, and then I wanna wear a different pair at night. So I have a ton of underwear packed. I have my normal bra, and then one of my favorite things to pack, which isn't always great for hot vacations if you get sweaty like me, but Stickybras. This is a new bra. I love this bra so much. I found it kind of hard to find lately. They must be just doing great. But this new bra is the best because it sticks to your little boobies and clamps in the middle, so it pushes them together like, hey baby. Looks, you know, looks nice. So I always pack this because then any of my off the shoulder dresses or one sleeve or whatever, I have a bra for that. So I pack my normal bra and that bra. Now let's get into cosmetics, skincare, all that jazz. So I have one of these bags that folds up into a little square and then it unfolds into a different 4-pack that you can just hang on the wall when you get anywhere. So don't worry, I'll link that in case you don't have one. They're so helpful. So some of the things I'm bringing are, you know when you buy a product and you get like a free gift with purchase? Well, oftentimes they're just smaller products. So I have a bunch of these little small travel size products to take with me. First, I have some Colleen Rothschild shampoo. I have Kerastase conditioner. This was a little free gift with purchase, and then my hairstylist just had some of these on hand that she got for free, so she gave one to me. So hair products, I got that. I have the 7 Second by Unite. This little travel size is the best. And then I just keep this bottle and refill it with my 7 Seconds that I have at home. And then I have Colleen Rothschild Smooth and Shine Hair Serum, so I can put that in the ends of my hair. So I got hair covered. Then for skincare, I keep everything very simple with my skincare during pregnancy. And so I have this Colleen Rothschild Balancing Gel Cleanser, a free gift with purchase. Then I have this Avene Zinc Cream. I talked about this product on my video all about how to treat perioral dermatitis naturally. It's just this zinc product that I'm obsessed with. So I pretty much wash my face and then use this and then use a SPF on top. So I like to take this one with me when I'm on vacation. It's Tula's Protect and Glow. Why I like it on vacation is because it gives you this nice little shimmer, and so it looks really good without any makeup on, so when you're at the pool. And I also take with me Tula's Glow and Get It, Rose Glow and Get It. It's an under eye serum that brightens up your eyes, but it also cools on contact. It's great, love that one. Then I tend to puff up on vacation. when I'm not pregnant. So I'm bringing some eye patches. These are my favorite. I love these so much. I'll pack those with me. And something I always try to pay attention to on vacation is I'll probably get a breakout because I'm just eating food that I normally wouldn't. I'm having like sugary drinks, I'm having dessert, and I don't normally get dessert at the end of dinner. And so I like to bring a couple of these Lancets. And the reason I bring these is because I'll use zit patches. So this is the Hero Cosmetics, the Mighty Patch. And I find that they work much better when you poke a little hole in that breakout of yours. So if I have a little zit coming to the surface, I can poke this and then put a patch on top of it on vacation. And that just helps get rid of it a little bit quicker. So I have a couple Lancets and some of those patches as well. I always pack Q-tips. I have this little travel pack with me. And you know, you use Q-tips for everything. Your ears, when you're using makeup, you use it a million times over. I'm trying out a new razor. I've never tried this razor. This is Athena. I've always used Billy Razor in the past, but I found that the quality has kind of changed recently. So Athena reached out about working together, so I asked them if they could send me their razor to try. So I'll be trying this first time on vacation. I always pack floss with me. Duh, if you're not flossing every day, get your life together. And then to get my makeup off, I normally use a gel or a cleansing oil, but I don't like packing that with me because it tends to be a little bit big, it can get messy. And Athena sent, when they sent the razor, they sent these little makeup cleansing wipes that have B3 and E in it. So I was like, perfect, I'll just pack those with. It's so much easier. And last but not least, I pack my favorite toothpaste, which is, instead of in a tube, it's in this little glass jar. So this is Bite toothpaste bits. And I love that it's not in a toothpaste tube because those are just super wasteful. It's just a little bit better for the environment, which I'm not perfect in any capacity, but this is a great way to do it. So packing those with me as well. I got a brush, I got my hair, my curling iron ready to go. I think I'm good with cosmetics or toiletries. What do you like to call them? I don't know. So my suitcase is pretty much packed. So you can see this is the side with all the clothes, put my curling iron in there, a little bit of lotion. And then on this side, I packed bras and underwear, the swimsuits, the cosmetics or toiletries, whatever you want to call them. And then I did 3 pairs of shoes. So I have these more wedge style shoes or like heeled sandals for a fancier look. I have flat sandals, I have sneakers for workouts, and then I have this hat. I love these. These are like visor hats. They're the best hat ever. You have to invest in one because then you can have your hair in a ponytail or you can have your hair down, and it's the most flexible, easy hat to pack. I love it. And I got a pair of sunglasses in here that I'll just keep in there so I don't have to keep them in my purse. And then I packed a little bit of like earrings, necklaces, that kind of stuff in here. I love this away suitcase so much. Now, last but not least, this gown. So Brian and I are doing maternity photos when we're in Cabo, and this beautiful gown, it's super long. It's like a robe kind of, so you can see I have a swimsuit that I'll be wearing underneath it, kind of this nude swimsuit, but it is so beautiful. So I hope it looks stunning on camera and it just shows off the bump and it looks beautiful on the beach. And that's it. We're all packed away, ready to go. We have an early flight tomorrow. I think we have to leave at like 5:30 in the morning, but I'm so excited. Hopefully this gave you some ways to pack a little bit more efficiently or how to start packing your suitcase. I know I like lining up all my outfits and all my swimsuits, and that's how I kind of build all my looks and my suitcase from there. So hopefully you liked it. If you did, give this video a little like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future. I'm Juli Bauer Roth of PaleomG. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I have a couple other videos I think you're gonna like.